This is going to be a big week. It's certainly going to be a big week for our chief counsel, Jay Sekulow, as he joins the president's legal defense team. The impeachment trial begins tomorrow. Jordan, of course, is a part of that team as well. So neither one of us are with us on air today. Certainly a busy week for them. I would encourage you to keep them in their thoughts and prayers. They've certainly been in mine. A lot of important issues on the line here in this trial. We sometimes think this is all about President Trump, and certainly it is about the attacks that have been levied against him. It is about the articles of impeachment that have been passed by the House against him, but it is also about the presidency itself and what powers will be allowed to be infringed on without proper answer, without proper recourse, and what voice the American people will have in that process. Over the weekend, for the first time, the president's legal team responded and asserted his legal defense in these proceedings. And I want to read for you that response. It's attainable language, but it's forceful language, folks. You're going to hear a response from the president's legal team that addresses many of the arguments that you've seen in the days and weeks behind us. The articles of impeachment submitted by House Democrats are a dangerous attack on the right of the American people to freely choose their president. This is a brazen and unlawful attempt to overturn the results of the 2016 election and interfere with the 2020 election, now just months away. The highly partisan and reckless obsession with impeaching the president began the day he was inaugurated and continues to this day. The articles of impeachment are constitutionally invalid on their face. They fail to allege any crime or violation of law whatsoever, let alone high crimes and misdemeanors as required by the Constitution.
The answer clearly demonstrates that the Democrats have engaged in a dangerous attack on the Constitution, the rule of law, and with respect to the presumption of innocence as well as elementary fairness. And so the answer exposes the deficiencies in the House case, but it also points out, very importantly, that the House case, as stated, indicates beyond question that there is evidence which exonerates the president.
They could not prove obstruction of justice. They've come up with this fallacy of somehow that by exercising his constitutional rights, not only as president, but as an American citizen, that somehow is a crime of obstructing Congress. And it is false on its face. And this document is the beginning of what will be a robust and a successful defense.